We all love the beauty of natural stones for their colors, textures, and the way they change over time. Natural stones are sculptured by the passage of time, reflecting the intricate processes that shape our landscapes. Taking inspiration from the nature, Unistone proudly presents its latest addition to the cultured stone range, the Leonardo Stone Series. After 35 years of dedicated research and development, we've perfected the art of crafting these stones, capturing nature's essence with realistic textures and imperfections. We have created a stunning range of stones in the Leonardo series, including Milano Series, Rivaro Series, Turano Series, Verona Series, Antico Series, and Venito Series. Let's dive into the different series one by one. Milano Series. The Milano Series includes 6 distinct stones, each with varying sizes, shapes, textures, and colors, creating a naturally occurring effect. The shades in the Milano series include Marmo, Bianco, Nero, Nugris Pearl, Alba, Sabia, Gris Terra, Lucera, Leone, Oliva, Graffito. This is the Milano series with its unique shades. Rivaro Series. The Rivaro series is composed of 19 distinctive pieces, each designed without repetition, providing a naturally occurring appearance. The stones range in thickness from 30 to 45 millimeter and in dimension from 130 to 330 millimeter. The shades in the Rivaro series include Alba, Sabia, Gris Terra, Leone, Nero, Marmo. This is the Rivaro series with its diverse shades. Turano Series. The Turano series features 28 varied stones with thickness ranging from 30 to 65 millimeter and dimensions from 50 to 325 millimeter. The shades in the Turano series include Sabia, Bianco, Alba, Nugris Pearl, Daisy Crema, Graffito, Marmo, Lucera, Leone, Gris Terra, Oliva, Nero. This is the Turano series showcasing its broad palette of shades. Verona Series. The Verona series offers 9 distinctive stones with thicknesses ranging from 30 to 60 millimeter and dimensions from 120 to 500 millimeter. The shades in the Verona series include Autumn Gold, Summer Gold, Olive Gray, Morocco Gray, Spring Rose, Daisy Yellow. This is the Verona series with its elegant range of shades. Antico Series. The Antico series features 21 different stones with thickness ranging from 30 to 45 millimeter and dimensions that are random. The shades in the Antico series include Sabia, Marmo, Lione, New Gris Pearl, Gris Terra, Alba, Nero, Bianco, Graffito. This is the Antico series with its beautiful array of shades. Venito Series. The Venito series consists of 45 different stones, with thicknesses varying from 25 to 45 millimeter and dimensions ranging from 115 to 355 millimeter. The shades in the Venito series include Riga, Sabia, Estonia, Castillo, Xenia, Lucia. This is the Venito series featuring its diverse shades. Installation. Apply adhesive on the wall. Start by applying a high-quality adhesive directly onto the wall surface where the stones will be placed. Next, apply adhesive on the backside of each Leonardo stone. Fix the stone on the wall. Place each stone onto the wall, pressing firmly to ensure it adheres well. Continue this process until the entire wall is covered with the stones. This method ensures that all single pieces of stone are securely attached and collectively cover the wall surface. Grouting. At Unistone, we offer several grouting options to suit your aesthetic preferences. Mortarless. Stones are placed without any grout between them for a seamless look. This method is ideal for a clean and modern finish. Minimum. A minimal amount of grout is used, just enough to fill the gaps between stones. This technique creates a subtle grout line that complements the overall appearance. Medium. This method provides a moderate amount of grout, making the grout lines visible but not overwhelming. It balances coverage and aesthetics. Two-level. Grout is applied to create a level surface, filling all gaps and ensuring uniformity across the installation. This technique is useful for achieving a consistent look. Overlapping. Grout is applied to overlap onto the stones, creating a textured and integrated appearance. This technique enhances the natural beauty of the stones and can be used for a rustic or traditional look. Grout Mortars. To match your design needs, we offer a range of grout mortars in different shades: Dulper, Portland, light gray, gray cement, Cotswold. Steps for grouting. Fill the cone. Fill up the prepared grout into a plastic cone. Fill the gaps. Press the plastic cone and fill grout into the gaps between the stones. Clean the surface and allow it to dry. Leonardo is a marvel in this ever-changing construction industry, where Unistone offers timeless natural stone masterpieces in the modern environment. At Unistone, we believe creating stones is not just a science behind producing material. It is an art. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.